Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is May 1st, 2025, and we're dissecting Tesla, ticker symbol Tesla. Recent headlines indicate some turbulence. Reports surfaced about Tesla's board searching for a new CEO to succeed Elon Musk. However, Tesla has vehemently denied these reports, calling them inaccurate. This kind of news can create significant volatility in the stock, so let's analyze the charts alongside this information. We will also consider the recent negative GDP data from the U.S. economy, increasing concerns of stagflation. This could also be weighing on investors' minds. First, let's take a look at the daily chart to get the broad perspective. On the daily chart, we see a longer-term trend, starting from December 2023 through today. We can observe significant volatility throughout the past year and a half. We have some high points above $450 in late 2024 and low points near $140 in early 2024. Zooming into the last few months, we can see the Tesla stock price rise in April after touching lows in April as well. Now let's narrow our focus to the last month, starting on April 1st, 2025. Looking at the last month, we see a pretty large rise in the stock, from about $220 to about $280. However, it seems that after the 280 high, the stock is trending downward. With reports swirling about a CEO replacement search, it's likely some investors are uncertain of Tesla's future. This is likely contributing to the stock's downward trend lately. Let's examine the hourly chart to get a better sense of the more recent price action. To clarify the recent trend, let's focus on the time since April 10th, 2025. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see more detail over the past few weeks. Here, the rejection at the $293 level is much more clear. It appears that $293 will be a strong point of resistance. Since failing to break that resistance level, it's been mostly a downward trend. It has leveled off near the 282 level over the past few days. Taking a closer look at the last few days on the 15-minute chart, we can get a better idea. At this very moment, the stock seems to be recovering slightly. However, it has been trending downward for about a week now, and it may simply be a small correction. If the stock can break through 282, it might present a good buying opportunity. However, there are macroeconomic trends such as GDP and jobs data pointing to concerns about stagflation, which are likely weighing on the stock. Alright, let's recap. The recent news about a potential CEO change adds uncertainty to TSLA's outlook. Technically, the key levels to watch are $293 as strong resistance and the $282 level as key support. If it breaks above $293, we might see a bullish trend develop, but investors should be wary about the macroeconomic conditions. Given the news and the charts, I'd say there's a moderate chance of a short-term bounce if the company has good news. However, negative economic news or further C-suite controversy could push it towards the 270s. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. Please leave any comments about chart analysis you'd like to see in the future, and have a great day trading out there.